Well, the Congress has announced the Bharat Nyay Yatra from Manipur to Mumbai. This yatra will be held by Rahul Gandhi. This remembers the second such yatra which is being undertaken by the Congress MP. The first one this year was Bharat Jodo Yatra from the southern part of the country up till Srinagar, up till Jammu and Kashmir, Kanyakumari to Jammu and Kashmir, and this is the second yatra which will be undertaken by Rahul Gandhi from the eastern part of the country to the west. That's the second yatra planned by the Congress party ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha battle. It will start on the 14th of January and will continue till the 28th of March. It's going to be a 6,200-kilometer yatra which will be undertaken by the Gandhi sign. Let's quickly listen into this announcement which came in from the Congress earlier today.
भारत जोड़ो यात्रा के बाद अब राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस पार्टी भारत न्याय यात्रा निकालने वाली है। 14 जनवरी से लेकर 20 मार्च तक 6,200 किलोमीटर लंबी भारत न्याय यात्रा 14 राज्यों से गुजरेगी। मणिपुर में शुरुआत होगी और यह समाप्त होगी मुंबई में। अब ये यात्रा दूसरे चरण में भारत न्याय यात्रा है। आर्थिक न्याय के लिए, सामाजिक न्याय के लिए और राजनीतिक न्याय के लिए। लोकतंत्र को बचाना है, संविधान को बचाना है। महंगाई और बेरोजगारी से करोड़ों परिवार जो पीड़ित हैं, उनको एक नया भविष्य, उज्जवल भविष्य दिखाना है।
Rahul Gandhi is doing a yatra with the great experience from the first Bharat Jodo Yatra. Certainly this yatra is going to interact with the youth of this country, women of this country, or marginalized people. This yatra will cover a distance of 6,200 kilometers and will traverse the following states: Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and finally Maharashtra. Basically, mode of yatra is a bus yatra.
Let me quickly go across to Nyamika joining us with more details from the easternmost part of the country to Maharashtra. It's a over 6,000 kilometer yatra which has been planned by the Congress party. We have the dates as well. The BJP has come out with its first reaction, calls it a mere spectacle, says the Congress has never been able to really deliver or live up to its promises. How has the Congress responded and how does it plan to go ahead with this yatra in the run-up to the 2024 battle, Nyamika?
Well, today the Congress party has made this big announcement regarding its Yatra 2.0. As earlier also we have seen that how Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has taken out a Bharat Jodo Yatra, and this time it is being called as Bharat Nyay Yatra, and it is going to start from January 14th till March 28th, as the dates are also being announced by the Congress General Secretary in charge KC Venugopal, as this Yatra is going to cover 14 states and more than 80 districts all across the country, as it is being started from Manipur, and it is going to be concluded in the state of Maharashtra, as the Congress party is saying that this is basically to give justice to the people of this country, as Rahul Gandhi will be seen interacting with various parts with the people of this country to raise the matters which are related to the common man of this country, and that is the reason why this yatra is being named as Congress Nyay Yatra, as this is basically an attempt on the part of the Congress party to give out a message that the Congress still has a presence on the grounds, as this is being done just ahead of the 2024 general elections. However, we have also seen that how the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has also reacted over the same by saying that this is not an election yatra. It has nothing to do with politics. This is basically to give out a message to the people of this country that Congress is there to raise the common man's issues for the people of this country, and that is the reason why Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will be seen interacting with various communities, various sections of this country, as this is going to be a bus yatra which is going to be started from the state of Manipur, as the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is going to flag off this yatra on January 14th.
Okay, it will begin starting 14 January. In a sense, also Congress's election campaign, the 2024 campaign, with this truly begins. Stay on with us. Like I said, BJP has come out with its first set of reactions while hitting out at this second yatra of the Congress party. It says this Nyay Yatra is just a spectacle. Words are not enough for justice, says Nalan Kohli of the BJP. Listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी अब राहुल गांधी जी न्याय यात्रा पे निकलना चाहती है, लेकिन केवल शब्दों के प्रयोग से न्याय और ये सब नहीं होता है। उन्होंने पहले भारत जोड़ो की बात की, लेकिन पूरी राजनीति उनकी भारत तोड़ने की होती है। जो देश के तोड़ने के टुकड़े करने के लिए बात करते हैं, उनके साथ राहुल गांधी जी टिकते हैं। ये तो मोदी जी की सरकार 2014 से सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, सबके प्रयास के तहत देश के लोगों को जोड़ रहे हैं और उनको सम्मान के साथ वहां तक विकास पहुंचा रहे हैं। केवल डायलॉग देने से या शब्दों के प्रयोग करने से, कोई यात्रा निकालने से नहीं होता है, और कांग्रेस पार्टी को इसका भी जवाब चुनाव में जरूर मिल जाएगा।